guys, my name is Lana, and in case if you still don't know, I am Russian. I live in Vancouver, Canada, and I really love food. Today I want to show you a little Japanese restaurant here. We have lots, not gonna lie, but I'm very hungry, and this restaurant, oh my god, see, they're hungry too. And this restaurant I really love and has lots of good reviews. So let's give it a try. Not gonna talk a lot, as usually. So just let's go. I'm hungry. As I said, it's not really a fancy place and it's a small restaurant, sushi restaurant, but I'm obsessed with this place. I really love it. They have such a good food. Let's go. Running. I'm so hungry. Let's go. Uh-huh. And the server is such a nice lady. I already love her. So here is the price for everything. Sushi rolls for $6 and for $15 or even $18, depends. I think I'm gonna get an appetizer, one main meal, and of course sushi roll, free tea. Okay, you know what I like about this tea? It's free. The first meal I got. So I just take this soya sauce, put it in here, put it back, and what I like to do is I just take some wasabi, put it on top, rub it, dip it in here, and eat it. No sex needed. And again, put some wasabi on top, rub it, dip it, and eat it. The best food ever. So good. I don't know what it is, but it's so good. And while we're waiting for my order, I'm gonna give you 5 fun facts you didn't know about sushi. The first one, sushi was first invented as the way to preserve fish. The second one, most sushi is served with pickled ginger as means to cleanse your plate between different pieces of sushi and enhance the flavor. However, you may offend the chef by using the pickled ginger as a topping. Number 3. Wasabi was first eaten with sushi as a method to kill bacteria and parasites in fish. However, with better sanitary and preparation conditions, this is no longer needed. Number 4. Originally, the Japanese people believed eating raw salmon was dangerous as Pacific salmon was prone to parasites. And number 5. Ditch the chopsticks. Sushi is meant to be eaten by hands. The nori originally was added as a way to keep people's fingers from getting sticky when eating sushi. So this is the next thing we got. Some people call it pot stickers, some call it gyoza, and something else. Oh my god, my favorite sushi rolls, caterpillar. Hot. I think I was Japanese in my past life. I don't know if you believe it or not. But I was Japanese. I love Japanese food. Also, we got some sushi rolls. So it comes with unagi, cream cheese, avocado, cucumber, rice, of course. And just dip it here and eat it. Everything what I'm eating right now is like 10 out of 10. So good. You should definitely come here, guys. Thank you. Look at what I have. That's a big roll. I can't even take it. So look, it looks like this. I guess it's with cucumber, unagi, crab, shrimp, yam. I don't know. Also got this one. It's tuna 𝗟𝗁𝗄𝗧, deep fried tuna with something. I guess it's like crispy tempura shrimp, but tuna. But I'm not sure.
Why is it moving? Why is it moving, bro?
Interesting. It's like tempura tuna. I like it. It's good. I basically like everything here. I'm a very picky eater. A little bit of mukbang tuna. I'm gonna dip it in this sauce because I really love it. Gyoza. These rolls are too big for now. I can't handle it, but I'll take it home. But it's too much food for me. So if you like watching people how they eat a lot of food, probably it's better to check Chinese or Korean mukbangs. I'm just telling about my experience in Vancouver. And this sashimi, sushi roll. Sashimi. I can't even talk, guys, I can't. So the name of this restaurant is Sushi Curry, and I'm gonna write it down here below my video. Check the link. If you're ever gonna be in Vancouver, check this place out. It's not really busy because they mostly prepare food to go, but everything is just delicious here. Okay.
I'll get the machine. I'm gonna put that back here.
Fried gyoza $7.64, sake salmon sashimi $18.64, 𝗟𝗏𝗢𝗨 $14.24, cream cheese. They charged me extra because it wasn't included in my it wasn't included in my roll, in 𝗟𝗏𝗧 roll. So the total amount is 71 Canadian dollars. Don't forget it's Canadian dollars, not US dollars, because we are in Canada. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, now I'm going home. Probably I'm gonna sleep because I'm so full. This one was very random because I supposed to try full food today, but when I went to that restaurant, African restaurant, the lady was so rude. She just literally told me, if you don't want to wait, just get out from here. Like, okay. Anyway, I came to this place. I'm gonna give them a really good review. I'm gonna post a video on YouTube on my channel about them, and I'll see you soon.